2021, Esmeralda Aguilar purchased a Toyota Wigo from Toyota Fairview Inc., hoping for a reliable vehicle. However, within just 2 weeks, she encountered serious problems. The steering wheel malfunctioned, making the car difficult to turn, and loud noises came from the brake and accelerator areas. Despite bringing the car in for repairs multiple times, Toyota Fairview failed to issue proper repair orders or keep adequate records of the work performed. The defects persisted, leaving Aguilar frustrated and concerned for her safety. This experience set the stage for a significant legal battle over consumer rights and product safety in the Philippines. Aguilar decided to take action by filing a complaint with the Department of Trade and Industry, DTI. After investigating, the DTI found Toyota liable under the Consumer Act of the Philippines, also known as RA 7394. The agency ordered Toyota to replace the defective vehicle. This decision was later affirmed by the Court of Appeals, which agreed that Toyota had delivered a defective product and failed to fix the issues despite repeated chances. The case highlights how consumer protection laws are designed to hold manufacturers and sellers accountable, ensuring that buyers are not left with unsafe or unusable products. The case eventually reached the Supreme Court, which upheld the decisions of both the DTI and the Court of Appeals. The court ruled that the persistent defects, especially those affecting the car's steering and braking, meant the vehicle was a lemon under consumer protection standards. This justified the order for a replacement. Supreme Court emphasized that under the Consumer Act, manufacturers and distributors are strictly required to ensure product safety and are liable when defects substantially impair a vehicle's use, value, or safety. Toyota's failure to properly document repairs further supported their liability. This ruling reinforced the importance of consumer protection laws and the strict obligations of sellers to deliver safe, roadworthy vehicles.